Audience Servus from Flagstaff. Welcome to my little kitchen here. And what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to cook sauerkraut home style, rolling out. Some of you might not even like sauerkraut. If you just get it out of the can or you get it out of the glass and you don't do anything to it, it's not good. It might not be up your taste buds, but try that recipe I have for you and let me know how this works out for you. I'll see you soon here on the chopping. So to create a good sauerkraut, you really don't need much. All you're gonna need is, and I buy this at World Market. It's a really good brand, love it, and it's very cheap. They're even cheaper than in the other stores. You're gonna need some chopped onions, of a quarter an onion, and you're gonna need some garlic. I slice it, salt, pepper, then also a little bit chicken soup. Most important back here is sugar, and I use the Amish butter, or you can use any butter, it's just for cooking, but that's my favorite. So those are the little ingredients you're gonna use, and let's get busy. So the first thing we're gonna do here is just wash the sauerkraut real quick. Cold water. Try the kraut first. If you like already the taste as it is, then don't wash it too much. Wash it anyway, but if you don't like it, wash it all the way. Not burn. So that's about right. Let them get a little bit golden brown. So just before they start getting brown, we add 2 spoons of flour to it, or 1.5, depends on how much butter you use. So we watch that really closely, how much we need. If it's too liquid, we add a little bit more flour. If it's, for example, like this, that's already, see, let's get it brown a little bit. That's fine. Here you just need to watch it, because once the flour gets color, it goes pretty quick. And you have to have 2 things handy. Number 1 is your sauerkraut, and number 2 is some water. See? Some of the first thing that's gonna get brown is your garlic, which is okay. Now it gets color. And it smells delicious. So it's got this brownish color. That is when we go get some water. Add now the kraut. A little bit of salt. A little bit of chicken soup. Some pepper. And just to cover the bottom of the pan, water. So we had the kraut now a little bit on simmer. If you like, I prefer to put some caraway seeds in there. Gives it a very good flavor and some dried. So guys, that was it out of my kitchen today. Showing you how to cook home-style made sauerkraut in Tyrol. You can use the sauerkraut for so many things. You can put some brats in there. You can use it for cooked ham. It is excellent in a strudel, believe it or not. I also make, for example, in the next episode, some blatteln, which is a specialty. It's like a fried bread, a little bit different than fried bread, Navajo fried bread. But even Navajo fried bread is, for example, excellent with sauerkraut. So it has many applications. Trust me, you're gonna start loving it. You also fit some burgers, and you make it that way, you might like it too. Alright, see you next time in my kitchen. Looking forward, and keep it Tirolisch. You still on? I'm sorry.